Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we're installing our custom fit Gatorback rear mud flaps on a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the 3 identified factory screws. Note, with no inner liner, there will be no inner factory screw. Now on a vehicle with no inner liner, they don't have a clip on the inner factory hole. Take the provided clip and install it in the inner factory hole as shown. Then on the inner hole, take the bracket and install a 1/4 inch black screw and black stainless washer. Then, with the mud flap, use a screw and washer and loosely install the lower middle hole of the flap to the lower outer hole of the bracket as shown. Continue loosely installing the flap with 3 screws and 3 washers, leaving the top 2 holes of the flap for the custom clips. Next, loosely install the clips to the upper 2 holes of the flap. This can be done beforehand or while the flap is on the vehicle. Note the larger upper holes and the small slits below them. Install the tab of the clip into the smaller slit, and make sure to install the clip to the rear side of the flap, as shown. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Tighten all screws and double check that the flap is still level. Finally, tighten the upper 2 clips to the fender. Make sure both clips are loose to start, and place the clips so that the fender will be pinched between the clips and the mud flap. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.